We're excited about being a part of the Next Step program. We feel it's important to be able to support the local community for those in need, and just being a part of, building up this community and giving individuals the skills that they need to find jobs and be able to improve their lives.
We specialize in wood product manufacturing. We help people who might not have great math skills to be able to read a tape measure, to be able to do some division and multiplication, bridging that skills gap, that employment gap that is in West Michigan, in the furniture industry, but also in construction industry as well. That light bulb goes on, they get really excited about building things, and for us that's great to see people excited about this craft, learning a new skill. It gives people confidence. They can work with their hands.
Going straight from not working to full-time work, I'm trying to get this figured out. I figured that this would be a good step for me before I went entirely into the workforce.
They help you hone your skills that you may or may not have. They can help you tweak certain things that, like your resume, interviews, how to present yourself, pretty much everything that you need to know.
It was initially set up for adults so that they could learn some soft skills and they could learn some skills in woodworking so that they were employable. And then I think that we moved on into being able to bring students into the program. The adults, they go on a 7, maybe 8-week program, but the high schoolers, they do a traditional school year. The students that we have right now, they're excited about it, they're enjoying it.
I plan to use my skills to just do this for life and maybe even start my own business with it.
They had great teachers around here, and we're able to learn stuff that we never thought we would learn.
We needed 3 different machines, and so Choice and the Ritter line helped us to accomplishing some of the needs we had for pocket boring and for edge sanding and for gluing and clamping. We really had those needs, and Choice and the Ritter line really came through.
The machines that we decided to donate to the Next Step were our R2061 Pocket Hole Machine, the R901 Horizontal Edge Belt Sander, and then the R275 Combination Clamping Table.
And it's been great to have our grads go out into the workplace, and they come back every month or two. You'll get a new grad coming back saying, hey, thanks, I got a good new job, or email us or call us and say, hey, this was really life-changing for me. And so that's always great to hear.
I just like being able to see people use our equipment, being able to build projects from scrap, and then seeing something beautiful being completed by the end of the project.